First of all, I'm very glad to say that what I have seen in Slovenia is very encouraging, and the people are very welcoming and very cheerful everywhere I go. And I think the words and the welcoming I found in this country is very encouraging, at least towards solving the problem of Darfur.
What do you expect from the most powerful nations or states in the world?
I don't differentiate between powerful and non-powerful. They are all powerful. They have anyone has his role to play, and I expect the international community will move towards towards solving the problem of Darfur for the sake of these civilians suffering for these last 6 years, and they should at least have access to better life in place of being bombarded every day and harassed and killed like what is happening now in Darfur.
Do you think that France will do something more to solve this problem?
Not only France. I think the whole international community is now asked to move towards solving the problem of Darfur. Mm-hmm. And immediately I'm coming out from the presidential palace of this country, Slovenia, and I have heard very encouraging words and promises that they will move. And I hope that will result in any kind of movement towards solving the problem as quickly as possible.
Is it Slovenia the first country that you visited?
No, I have visited other countries in Europe, starting from France to Netherlands to Brussels to Britain and Germany. And everywhere I go, I heard encouraging and promising words. I hope it will result in a move towards the solution of the problem.
But what can we do, normal people, not just politics? What can we do to help the situation?
As I can say that Slovenians before this, they participated in a petition. They signed a petition beside the initiative of the government, of the late president of this country. They participated in even my release as individual from the prison of the governor of Sudan, and that was appreciated. And I don't feel that no role for an individual. Individuals become the power if they gather together and they have the same idea and they put their efforts together. That is the force and the role wanted from the individuals to play, which can result in the opinion of the community. It's all the community itself is formed of individuals. So we don't ignore any role of any person. Even an individual has a role to do, just to put things in the right way and to gather our efforts, which will result in an opinion of the international community, which results to better results, definitely.
What is the situation now in Darfur?
In regards of the situation of Darfur, I think it is worsening, at least on the area of the future of Darfur. And we are now against the thing is going against the future of Darfur, like people losing education, losing self-safety to lead their normal life. So the result is worsening, and it's bad and worse towards the future of Darfur. We are now fighting against marginalization, and we are depriving the people from at least access to education, to self-safety, and we are changing the mind of these brought-up children, and it may be some kind of deviation towards violence. So it's maybe the challenge of the future, how to divert them from this mentality to lead their normal civilian life.